In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make up to $100 every single day from home. This is all powered by the possibility of YouTube and Google, and it's a really good opportunity for anybody in the world to really make money from home and make a passive income. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video and show you how you guys can start making up to $100 per day from YouTube and Google. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to the channel. And in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 per day from YouTube and Google. Now before we get started, I just want to say this is purely for educational purposes. The results I'm going to show you in this video are based on other people's and my own, and everyone's results are different, so just keep that in mind when you're watching this video. Now let's get straight into this. So if you don't already know, you can make money on YouTube, guys. Okay, simply you would go to your YouTube channel up here, as you can see right here. You need to go to the old YouTube dashboard account, okay, and once you go to that, you are then able to apply for monetization. Now monetization on YouTube allows you to put advertisements on your videos, which then allows you to generate an income from the videos and the views you get on your content. So simply go to channel settings, as you can see right here, and click enable for monetization. Now what you will notice is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to simply get approved, which is fine because in this video we're going to show you exactly how you can get this and get approved for monetization. So obviously when making videos for YouTube, there are many ways that you can do this. A lot of you are probably going to be thinking that you need to physically put your face in these videos and you need to have some sort of amazing setup. When in matter of fact, you are completely wrong. You don't need all of that stuff, and you can make a very good income without doing much work at all. So what we're going to be looking at today is a channel called Brightside, okay? Now this channel is basically a channel which is powered by content edited for them, and I'm going to show you exactly how you guys can do the exact same as this channel today. You can literally do the exact same thing as this channel with minimum work and minimum effort, okay? So firstly, let's go ahead and look at their earnings and see how much this channel is actually making off their YouTube channel. So if we go to their channel, type in on socialblade.com, this gives us an average of how much the channel is making. As you can see right here, this channel is making a minimum of $30,000 per month and a maximum of $400,000 per month. Now this channel is getting 175 million views every single 30 days. On average, YouTube pay anywhere from $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. So with that in mind, this channel is making more around the higher end of $400,000 per month. So roughly around $300,000 per month this channel is making, which you probably won't believe, but let's go ahead and take a look at their views and their content. So as you can see, this channel is getting 5.8 million views per day. As we said, $2 to $3, you know, that's $15,000 a day upwards of, which around about is more than $300,000 a month. Now, what is their content and how can you do this? This channel is purely designed to show you guys tips and tricks, and also designed to show you guys, you know, top 5 things you probably never knew, top 10 things you probably never knew. Loads of life hacks, loads of tips and tricks, all that type of stuff, guys, okay? Now, if you actually watch the content in this video, you'll notice that 99% of the content in these videos are literally royalty-free clips. So they are clips where, you know, there's no one essentially makes them, right? They are made, but they just use them in the videos. For example, if we go ahead and go down the page and just click on any video here, so this one right here, that's why airplane windows are round. Let's go ahead and click on this video, just to show you guys exactly what this content is kind of about, and you'll get an idea of how you guys can do this. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do it, where you can get the clips, and all of that good information. So firstly, obviously, as you can see, there's an ad on this video, which is how they make money from their Google AdSense, which we already explained. So as you can see right here, you know, they're doing their introduction and just the generic stuff. Now this channel, this video right here is mainly animated, okay guys? Now obviously, you know, you don't have to have animations on your videos. Most of the clips you can get are, like, I'm going to show you where you can get them from, but there are other videos on this channel where they do quite literally use clips of, you know, in real life footage, which they get from a royalty free site. For example, if we go on this one right here, sorry, not this one right here, let's go into this one right here and try and find a video here where they're using, you know, royalty free videos and stuff like that, which there is quite a few videos on this channel where they are simply just getting clips and essentially, you know, just making videos with it. So if we go to their most viewed videos, you're going to see that this channel is literally getting some of their videos over 100 million views, guys. 100 million views on one video. So as you can see here, 73 million, 42 million, 41 million, 40 million, 30 million, 30 million, 30 million. Every single video you're seeing right here has over 20 million views, guys, okay? Now let's go ahead and just click on this video here, just so you can see what I'm talking about and how you can do this stuff, okay, guys? As you can see right here, this is just clips of somebody working out, right? So this is just clips of some random person working out, and they're adding, like stuff like this. Now this can be done by anyone, and I'm about to show you how you can do this. I'm just going to show you 3 more examples before I actually do that, of just other videos that they've made, which you can also do as well. So as you can see here, it's just clips, it's images, all this type of stuff which anybody can get, right guys? You can do this, simple, very easy. So, how can you do this, and what do you need? Well, firstly, obviously, you need the clips to put in the videos, right? Chances are you're probably not going to have all these clips that you can film yourself. So, where do you get those clips from? Well, there are many websites you can get these clips from. My personal favorite is a website called storyblocks.com. Storyblocks.com is quite literally a website where you are able to get 100% royalty-free footage. Okay, guys, you can get video and you can get audio. So, if you click on the video tab, you'll see that you can get hundreds of videos unlimited on this website. Now obviously you have to sign up and it's a monthly payment, but the thing is about this is you make way more money from the YouTube videos than you will for paying for this membership, and you have unlimited access. So as you can see, you get stunning stock videos that won't break the bank, and you can use it forever. It's yours forever, as you can see right here. Okay guys, and you can literally get content on anything. I'm going to quickly log into my account now and show you what's on the inside so you can see what you get for this service. Okay, so once you're on the inside of your account, you will simply see a page like this. Now I've got the personal package where I have all 3 images, audio, and video. But you can just get video, you can just get audio, you can just get images. It's up to you. But I would recommend just going with videos if you are just looking for one. So let's say, for example, I wanted to make a video like this, which has 20 million views in 1 year. How I lost belly fat. And as you can see right here, they're just basically clips of women measuring their belly and stuff like that, right? So simply what I would do is I would just type in here weight loss, right? I type in weight loss, and what's going to come up is a bunch of videos all to do with weight loss, which I can literally download in the click of a button and put into my editing software and start putting them all together, right? And I can use as many of these clips as I want. There's no limitation at all of how many I can use, and I can use anything I want, right guys? Okay, so if I just type, I've spelled it wrong, obviously that's why there's only a few come up. If I type in weight loss again and spell it correctly, you can see right here now there's loads of them. Now there is thousands of results of this, guys. There is literally thousands of content on this website of every single word, whether it's planes, tanks, UFOs, trees, weather, whatever you want to get. There's a bunch of content, guys, okay, and they're all videos, obviously. Now you'd simply just go to here, click download, and you can choose which one you want to download, and it will just literally download straight away. And that's as easy as it is. There's no watermarks, there's nothing like that. You can put it straight into your editing software and start making these videos. And the best part about this is there's absolutely zero copyright because you own the content. You are completely covered with their license and you have no issues. So for example, if I click on a video here and go ahead and look at the side, you'll see right here that I'm using a standard license. I have a license to use it anywhere I want, and I have $1 million indemnification. So if there was anything to ever happen, they would cover you up to $1 million, which is ridiculously more than enough. Okay, guys. So what that does then is allows you to, download clips and put it into editing software and start making these type of videos, right, guys? So obviously, if we go back to this channel right here, you see that they do videos on all different things. So how I lost belly fat, how to go to sleep, how to do this, how to do that, 5 things you never knew about this, 5 things you never knew about that. So if we type up here, let's just type in like things you never knew about planes, for example. Okay, guys, things you never knew about planes. As you can see right here, there's going to be a bunch of facts with video content that they don't obviously own, right, guys? Some of these are going to be obviously cartoons. Some of these are going to be, more in real life stuff as well. This channel right here, Be Amazed, is another channel who does the same type of thing. As you can see right here, they're using clips from, airplanes and stuff like that. As we'll see right now when it loads, you're going to see a bunch of these videos are quite literally clips from inside of the plane and stuff like that, right, guys? Which again you can get from Storyblocks. So simply go up to here, just type in planes, and you're gonna get a bunch of videos all to do with planes. You can get inside planes, you can get plane windows, you can get a suitcase, you can get everything that is physically ever invented with to do with a plane, right, guys? You can get all the images, all the videos and stuff like that, which then allows you to make videos like this. Now, the way you'd get the ideas is you could watch a video, you could watch their video, for example, write down what they're saying, rewrite it, don't copy them because you could be done for plagiarism, rewrite it, and then do it in your own way. Okay, that's another way. Or you could simply just go to google.com, and just type in things you never knew about planes. And then what's going to come up is articles which you never knew about planes, which you can just put into your video. Now, obviously, these videos have a commentary, guys, okay? Which is where now, obviously, you need to decide whether you want to commentate over it or you want to get a commentator. That is the last kind of thing you need. You've got the clips, you have the licenses, you have an editor if you don't already, or you can edit it yourself, which is very easy to do. I'll make another video on that if you guys want to know how to do that. And then you can upload these videos and start getting millions of views, guys, okay? So, obviously, if you don't want to talk over it yourself, you can go to a website called upwork.com and you can literally hire a voiceover guy. So if you just type in up here, voiceover, as you can see, I've already done it because I've literally hired one before off here. Type in voiceover, and what's going to come up with a bunch of people, freelancers, who are willing to voiceover for you guys, okay? Now, I always say when you go to this website, don't pay the most, you know, you don't want to be paying $150 for an hour. That's ridiculous. You don't need to do that. Anyone can talk, guys, okay? So if you just go to filters and click $10 and below, you're going to find people who will then work for dirt cheap, okay, guys? So you look at this, right? $5 an hour. Now, these videos, as you can see, are literally 10 minutes, so you don't even need to pay for an hour. You literally need to pay for, like, 10 minutes, which is going to work out to be like $1 or $2, okay? And you can go through here and just get any of these guys to pretty much do a voiceover for you, right, guys? You know, you can go for a bit higher if you want a bit more better quality. But, you know, roughly what you will be looking at is around $5 per video. Or maybe a bit less, maybe $2 or $3, depending on who you go with. Which isn't a lot for a voiceover on a video. Or you could simply just go out, buy a microphone for $20 and start doing it yourself. Because no one will know who you are. No one will know what your name is or anything like that. It's simply just a voice. Like, you guys don't know who I am right now by talking over this, right? You just hear my voice, okay? So as simply as that. And then you can edit these videos together. So if you listen to this,
you feel that when you pop your ears.
As you can see, there's a voiceover on this video, and they simply put it all together in an editor and make it together. Now, the potential of this channel and these things are ridiculously unlimited because you can make videos on any single topic, guys, okay? There are other channels who do the same type of thing as this. You know, there's channels like Top Trending, which has 4.58 million subscribers, and they make content on everything. So 10 people you never knew existed, 10 craziest things found in people's backyards, 10 craziest things billionaires brought, 10 loudest sounds in the world, 10 most expensive things owned by Drake, 10 richest people in the the amount of things you can make on this type of thing is unlimited because you can make content on anything, right? And the good part about this is 99% of your videos you're going to be making are going to be clickbait, and that is the best side of this because the content is something that you're gonna, let's just say, for example, okay, you went onto this channel Brightside, and let's just say you was on your YouTube homepage, right? And what popped up was, let's just say this video here popped up, okay? Let's just go with this one right here, right? So 14 things not worth buying new, okay? Now, to me, you know, if I was interested by that thumbnail, I'd probably want to click it because it looks like a good thumbnail. I'd be quite interested to see what the video's about. And that is the same for every single thumbnail you see right here. They're all clickbait because, you know, it's not somebody's face, it's a topic, and you can never run out of topics. So look at this. A man fell out of a plane but survived. So they're quite literally just reading a story here, okay? You could do the same thing. You can read stories, use the clips, and just simply put it together. If we go to their most viewed videos, as you can see, the ones that got 70 odd million views and more than that, you can see like 13 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks. Now, let's be fair, if that was on your YouTube homepage and you saw a shark, you'd probably want to click it. You'd probably want to click that because you want to see how to survive a wild animal shark, right? You'd probably want to know what's going on in this video. The same with all of this, guys. You know, look at this. If you see this, run fast and ask for help, you'd want to know what it is. And that's the purpose of these videos, is it's always going to be clickbaity because you always can name this type of stuff in different ways, you know, and it's always really searchable content, which is the key how this channel works so well, okay, guys? So that is how you're going to be doing this, guys. Now, obviously, like I said, you need to get your views up, guys, okay? Now, you need to start getting views and start making content. Now, the best thing I'd suggest doing to get the views is to pretty much to start with by copying other channels. So copy videos will already work. So for example, let's say you were to start this today and you want to start getting views. What I'd be doing is I'd be going up here, I'd be typing in Brightside, for example. This is what I would personally do if I was to do it with you guys. I'd filter it to this month, most viewed, and whatever's at the top, I'd try and recreate. I'd try and recreate all of these videos right here because they've got most views in the last week. I'd recreate them, copy the title, change a bit of the thumbnail and change a bit of the description and redo it myself in my own way. That way you can get some of their views onto your videos and start making some good views and some good income, okay, guys? Now, obviously, like I said, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time, which, guys, if you go back to their Social Blade again and you see how much the channel is making and how many views they're getting, you're gonna understand how getting 1,000 subscribers is not hard. This channel is getting 27,000 subscribers a day. You only need 1,000. This channel has 30 million subscribers. You only need 1,000 to get monetized, guys, okay? Even if you was to get 0.1% of this channel views, let's say you was to get, if you got 10% of this channel views, you would still be making around $30,000 a month. If you was to get 1% of this channel, you'd still be making around $5,000 a month or $3,000 a month. If you was to get 0.1% of this channel views and earnings and subscribers, you would still make around $300 to $500 every single month, guys. Even if that was 0.1% of this of these views, which obviously, guys, is extremely low. 10-20% is more realistically kind of how much someone can get of these views, or there is no potential. You can get the same amount of views. If they're getting it, that means you can as well, right? So even 1% is a minimum, and even at that point, you can still make $5,000 a month. But obviously, to do that, that's around $100 a day, which is what the point of this video is. So, all you need is 1% of these views. 1% of their views every single month or lifetime, and you will make more than $100 per day. So that's basically it, guys. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and this is basically how you can do it, guys, okay? You can simply go to storyblocks.com, get this stuff, and simply do that. Now, if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead over to my channel and subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video to start with. And if you do want to see any more other topics of YouTube and ways you can make money online, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. This channel, my channel, is purely designed to show you guys the best ways you can make money online, and the ways that you can really kind of get into the YouTube algorithm and start getting views and money from your YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and take care. Goodbye.